In order to keep the session organized, I had jotted down a small presentation. तो मैं वो presentation share कर लेता हूँ, and then we take this forward from there. So I hope my screen or my presentation is visible. So Khadi's digital transformation, we had to go through lot many disastrous activities in order to make sure कि हम इस transformation को reach करें. Uh, आज के दिन में I'll just focus. So it's a big journey, right? Still we are going through that transformation bit. Um, but in order to keep it short, sweet, and focused, I have only selected one area, which is the Power Platform. We are Microsoft Dynamics 365 customers as well, and Khadi since 2017 is 100% cloud-based organization. So all the systems running within Khadi are cloud-based, whether it's Microsoft or our partnerships with other partners as well. So Khadi may nothing can enter if it's not a cloud-based solution, right? So by strategy and by design, we are cloud-native organization. So moving on to the next bit, so transformation becomes fairly easy when founder of the organization quotes and believes in go digital or die. So this is Shamoon Sultan, founder of Khadi, and he is a firm believer of either we go digital or we die. There is no other option. So working for an organization where the tone from the top is this, it's actually not the matter of how we would be doing a digital transformation. It's the matter of when that transformation can happen or continue to happen, right? So this is one of the easiest bit for working for an organization where you don't have to set up a stage or you don't have to convince the organization that this is a digital era and you have to go digital. I recall that when I joined Khadi in 2017, before that I was working for a financial services organization where it took me at least a year to take at least only the emails from on-prem environment to a cloud-based solution. And I recall I joined Khadi in May, and we had first steering committee on 31st May 2017, where the agenda was to kick off that transition from on-premise to cloud. And within that first meeting, the teams here are so decisive and the tone is so clear that within first meeting, मुझे वो approval मिल गया that I have to take everything. Everything was on-prem at that time, and I had to take everything in cloud. So that makes the life easy. As I said, आज के session में I'm only focusing on the Power Platform bit. I would not talk about other transformation areas. So in order to keep it short. So this is what we know as Microsoft Power Platform. It's actually at a larger scale combination of four key areas. One is Power BI, then another Power BI is for business analytics, a very well-known product, and I think very established product out in the market where you can use this platform for any level of insights, whether it be an executive level analytics or whether it be operational analytics. Power Apps, just a small story. I got in love with Power Apps where I was attending a Microsoft Convergence conference in 2000, probably 14 or 15. I think 2015 when Power Platform was actually showcased. And right there in that conference, I registered myself as one of the preview customers for Power Apps. So I got in love with Power Apps since that time. पावर ऐप को एक्चुअली पब्लिक प्रीव्यू में आने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगा बट आई वाज इन दैट प्राइवेट प्रीव्यू एंड देन थ्रू दैट जर्नी सो इन लव विद दिस प्लेटफॉर्म सो ये प्लेटफॉर्म आपको हेल्प करता है इस चीज में कि वेदर यू आर एक्चुअली अ प्रोग्रामर और नॉट you have this power in your hand if without any programming experience and without any prior experience experience in programming, you can create kind of apps which can automate, which can sort of digitalize your business processes which are not digital. So मैं आपको थोड़ा सा इसका magic I'll show. And then Power Automate is something which connects with this whole platform, and it used to be called Power Flow. So the objective of Power Automate is to connect with different systems, take the logic, और अगर किसी ने Zapier का नाम सुना हो, IFTT का नाम सुना हो, so this sort of helps us in going beyond that, and multiple data sources से information लेके किसी trigger की basis पे if you have to automate something, this helps you a lot in that direction. So within Khadi, I think I can easily say that these three areas of the Power Platform we have been playing, and these three areas have played their immense role in helping us moving ahead in our digital transformation journey. Power Virtual Agents is actually a framework which help you develop chatbots, which help you develop human conversations with the machines. So this is an area where we are actually playing with. So for example, if you connect Power Virtual Agent with Power BI, you can probably come in and ask a virtual agent that what was my, let's say, what was my sale in Dubai Mall store yesterday. So these kind of activities you can do from Power Virtual Agents, and all these three or four factors combined with Common Data Service and Data Connector, I would show you that we have created sort of enterprise class applications in shortest possible times, just based on the power we get with this Power Platform. I think most of the people on the call coming from IT background and working with IT departments, मेरा ख्याल है कोई ऐसा नहीं होगा जिसने ये सिनेरियो फेस ना किया हो, where business needs everything as soon as yesterday, and we have delivered it as soon as yesterday. So there have been cases where even business has not thought of something, they ask for something happened in the environment, they ask for something from IT, and we had that thing ready for them at that time. So मैं आपको कुछ examples भी इसकी showcase करूंगा. So why this low code platform only focusing, let's say, on Power Platform? Why this is helping us in triggering that digital transformation, or at least helping us take forward that agenda of digital transformation. जब आपको कुछ कोड ना राइट करना हो, जब आपके पास ये पावर हो कि आप जो अपने जहन में सोच रहे हैं, यू कैन जस्ट visualize that thing, and you can just drag and drop those areas, and you will have something of usable nature in your hands uh, within just few clicks of the button if it's fairly simple. Otherwise, you have to do a very low level or low code programming in order to get to that agenda. This makes life fairly easy. एक चीज, दूसरी चीज ये कि businesses used to be dependent on technology teams in order to develop even a smaller thing to a larger enterprise scale application. But जब आप किसी organization में काम करते हैं, आप you don't always develop or you don't always work on a very enterprise level application. There are certain use cases जिसमें आपकी ख्वाहिश ये होती है कि एक Excel की शीट पकड़े और Excel की शीट में काम कर लें. You don't need to think through most of the things. So this platform is actually more geared towards business user rather than developers. So ये जितनी चारों चीजें मैंने आपसे बात की, with a very basic level of knowledge, any user can start, any business user can start digitalizing or automating their own business processes. दिमाग जिस तरीके से सोचता है, आई थिंक उसकी सबसे पहली शक्ल यूजर के जहन में विजुअल फॉर्म में आती है, कोड के फॉर्म में नहीं आती. So I think that visual modeling helps connect mind with the business outcome. So you just have to visually conceive something, use the drag and drop features, and you are just ready with your basic version where you can actually start refining that. Every Power App or every प्लेटफॉर्म एप्लीकेशन इज इंस्टेंटली मोबाइल रेडी. सो आपको ये सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है कि यार इस चीज को मुझे मोबाइल में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो आई हैव टू कोड समथिंग डिफरेंट, आई हैव टू सी समथिंग डिफरेंट, सो एवरी कंपोनेंट इज मोबाइल रेडी. एंड अगेन, जिस तरह मैंने बात की कि as far as खादी strategy is considered and design is considered, लाइक मैंने कहा कि कोई ऐसी एप्लीकेशन खादी में नहीं आ सकती जो क्लाउड नेटिव नहीं है. So any application which is not mobile ready, that application cannot enter in Khadi. So by design and by strategy, anything which is not analytical friendly or not generating data, anything which is not cloud friendly, anything which is not mobile friendly, which is not secure, that application by design, we just eradicate that application from uh, even our thinking process. So this is part of DNA. सो लो कोड का यूज केसेस क्या है? लो कोड की यूज केसेस ये हैं, आज भी आपकी बहुत सारे ऐसे एप्लीकेशन लेगेसी ऑपरेशनल बिजनेस ऑपरेशंस हैं जो either we run on the paper, or either we run on segregated Excel sheets, or either we run on um, even Access. So this Power Platform helps you, gives you the set of tools कि जिसमें you can actually pick a business process, actually visualize that business process, and automate this that business process without any enterprise level thinking. जरूरी नहीं है कि हर business process के लिए you go and start thinking everything at an enterprise level. So you have to ensure that you pick up any legacy process area, you connect your operational areas with that, and you just digitally transform that experience for the customer. तो मैं जब आपको कुछ एग्जांपल्स दूंगा तो यू वुड आल्सो अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या ऐसी चीज है जो शायद व्हेन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्टार्ट वर्किंग फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, यूजुअली इंटेंट ये होती है कि यार उसको पेपर पे कर लें. व्हाई गो डिजिटल विद दैट? बिकॉज पहली थिंकिंग जो जहन में आती है वो ये आती है कि यार इस प्रोसेस को डिजिटल करने के लिए डेवलपर्स हायर करने पड़ेंगे या किसी थर्ड पार्टी कंपनी को हायर करना पड़ेगा, एंड दे वुड एक्चुअली वर्क ऑन दैट. फिर उसकी एक डेवलपमेंट होगी, फिर उसके बाद उसकी यूएटी होगी, उसके बाद फिर वो लाइव जाएगा, फिर लाइव की मेंटेनेंस होगी. तो ऑल दोज एप्लीकेशन डज नॉट नीड टू बी enterprise level. बट एक एरिया जो कि आई थिंक विद दैट पावर प्लेटफॉर्म that helped us in moving forward was the digital transformation journey. So I think सबसे बेसिक चीज ये है कि when you go into that journey, you have to be very agile. आपको बहुत सारे quick wins deliver करने होते हैं, which until and unless you deliver, your consumer or your customer or your user would not actually feel uh, the change that digital transformation is bringing in. So बहुत सारे ऐसे, यूजुअली मेरी टीम को भी, आप इंटरनली विद इन खादी, आई गिव एन एग्जांपल कि अगर आपको टाइटैनिक के सफर पे जाना है तो उसके लिए जरूरी नहीं है कि आप पहले टाइटैनिक खड़ा करेंगे, उसके बाद फिर इसको आप समुद्र में उतारेंगे और फिर देखेंगे कि यार ये टाइटैनिक इज केपेबल ऑफ delivering you that outcome. There have been so many examples of a bigger scale or enterprise scale digital transformation projects जो हमने पावर ऐप से स्टार्ट किए. वी क्रिएटेड a small power app, gave this that feeler to the customer, started collecting the feedback from the customer, and then we started creating a Titanic. So that has helped us in giving a feel of the digital transformation to the customer earlier on of that journey. तो बहुत सारी तकालीफ जो आपको बाद में आनी होती हैं, वो तकालीफ आपके पास बहुत शुरू में आ जाती हैं, एंड यू हैव दैट कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ molding things very quickly. So एक जमाने में we used to say wireframing and prototyping, typing and things like that. We have created purely functional business applications fairly very quickly on Power Apps, which were covering the end-to-end business scenario. उससे learn किया, उससे learn करने के बाद we quickly change things, users experience that, and then we came to a stage where user felt कि हाँ, this is something which I needed. क्योंकि सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि आपको ये पता ही नहीं चलता कि यूजर क्या चाहता है, एंड यू स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग टाइटैनिक्स. सो दिस हैज हेल्प्ड अस अ लॉट in fast tracking that digital transformation journey. So what are the key success factor for us in this implementation roadmap? So सबसे पहले, जिस तरह मैंने आपको सबसे पहली जो थॉट मैंने आपसे शेयर की, गो डाई और गो डिजिटल और डाई, तो ये टोन एट द टॉप सेट करना बहुत जरूरी है कि we would not accept any business process, or we would not go into any business process until it's being delivered through digital means. आई थिंक ये कहना आसान है, बट एक्सपीरियंस करना बड़ा मुश्किल है, बिकॉज बीइंग अ सीआईओ एट खादी, सबसे बड़ी मुश्किल और सबसे बड़ा फियर दैट कैन कम टू माय माइंड इज कि यार कल कोई बिजनेस सिनेरियो चेंज हो जाएगा, कल को कोई नई रिक्वायरमेंट आ जाएगी हमारे पास। आज भी बहुत काम पड़े हुए पाइपलाइन में, और हम ये वाला काम कैसे करेंगे? बिकॉज until and unless if we create that fear with it, we create that scenario within the business teams के या तो ये काम डिजिटली होगा या नहीं होगा, इसका मतलब ये है कि you have to be ready and agile enough to deliver all the business scenarios through digital means. So I think this is the starting point of the digital transformation journey. I'm sure जो दूसरी बात मैं कह रहा हूँ, ये दूसरा पॉइंटर यू आर सीइंग, बहुत सारे हजरात उसको डाइजेस्ट ना कर पाए, बट हमारी डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का one of the key factors. So when I joined Khadi, I was told that there are two ERPs running within Khadi. But during my orientation, I could easily see that there are at least eight ERPs running in Khadi. Every business was running their separate set of Excel sheets, which was never available to anyone else. So सबसे पहली चीज, I think although Excel भी Microsoft की product है, but if you actually want that digital transformation to deliver its outcome, then probably you have to go in that direction where Microsoft Excel is actually not considered as something which is getting you digital, right? क्विक विंस डिलीवर होना किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. सो वेदर इट्स अ डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जर्नी, और वेदर इट्स एनीथिंग, इफ यू आर बिल्डिंग योर हाउस, if you are building anything, getting the feel of you are going in right direction earlier on is very necessary, and this is where this power platform is helping us in ensuring that we are getting into a right direction. So because that help us in delivering speed, it helps us in showing that how this automated environment would look like. This helps us in establishing necessary level of controls, and with help of Power BI, we are able to show analytics that what's actually happening based on that digital transformation. Uh, Fourth pointer again, a difference between a mediocre technology function and a world-class technology function is that the objective of the technology teams should not be delivering the scope. I teach or I train people on project management, right? And I know that scope creep or किसी चीज के scope को बढ़ाना, it's lethal. But if you have to achieve that delight earlier on in your digital transformation journey, you always have to strive for user delight. If user has asked for three requirements, you, until and unless you deliver five requirements or two more features or two more value add, you would not be able to gain that user consensus and user satisfaction, which would help you in a longer term digital transformation journey. So you have to grab your user attention, you have to grab your user delight, so that you know that you have your captive audience and they would be at your back when you hit a blocker. So earlier on, you have to ensure that you try to attain user delight rather than just delivering the, the scope of the project. Until unless you make it a norm, this journey is short-lived. Until unless this becomes a norm across the organization, uh, and until unless you get your users to start thinking of that dimension, and until unless you pass on that magic to your end users, this does not becomes a norm. So in that digital transformation journey, you have to deliver one thing, you have to settle that thing, and you have to make it a norm, so that that transformation can sustains for a longer period of time, because you have to focus somewhere else. So अब what I'll do is कि मैं आपको जो खादी, what we call it a khadi app kitchen, because we continuously keep cooking something in that kitchen. Some of these dishes go into production, but some of these dishes we just design and we just scrap. So I'll show you some of those applications which have actually gone into production. Right. So here you go. I'm not sure how many people on the call have actually this exposure to what actually is Omni. So when COVID-19 hit retail business और जब दुकानें बंद थी, so obviously you had to use those physical stores, or you had to use your shops, and you had to use your physical presence to sort of leverage your e-commerce business, because the only business at that time was that e-commerce business. So just then and there was a thought that so हम काफी टाइम से कोशिश कर रहे थे that खादी as a business should go omni, but we were thinking that it's too early to go into too early to go into that direction. But when COVID hit us, उस वक्त इतना टाइम नहीं था कि you start investing into enterprise scale omni channel retailing solutions. So this effort which we started just happened on 1 week end. I'm sure those people who worked with me on this project, some of those might be on the call as well. So just based on that concept, we developed an app only on one weekend, Saturday and Sunday. And जो मैं आपको example कह रहा था that we need this as soon as yesterday. The Monday we started the business, this requirement of going omni started coming into us. And just think about it कि जब आपको business ये कह रहा हो and your CEO is just discussing the idea of that we have to go omni, and you have something already ready to present and something already ready to go into production. So this was a small app we created. We built the business logic into it, which could identify that which order that is coming online has to be completed from, let's say, which store, or fulfilled from which store, and which last mile or which delivery or which courier would be picking that order, and which courier would be delivering that order to customer. So just think of the delight the business user would be getting, that we started discussing something and that something is already ready. And जो लोग जानते हैं कि omni channel, how bigger project is this omni channel, they would understand that business thinking of it, and you are live just in that week, the same week you are live on omni channel business, just cannot imagine the delight of the business, right? So this whole application we created based by using these three platform stack. We use Power App, we use Power Automate, we use Office 365, and we use Dynamics 365, and obviously our e-commerce platform, which is Magento. And just a testimonial from it has created an immense outcome. So we were the first, due to this agility, Khadi was the first brand that was able to go omni at a bigger scale in those COVID-19 situations. But ultimately what happened was that हमने इस application के through, इस app के through अपनी learnings build की. We continued this application for at least 4 to 6 months, and during that time we were continuously learning that what scenarios can come into the business. And in parallel we were working on an enterprise scale architecture, and ultimately we sort of deprecated this application, and last December we were completely gone live on Microsoft Distributed Order Management. But this application proved to be a fuel, and this helped us learning from that journey and working on an application that is running since December without a single piece of change. No change in that application since December, because we knew what we have to deliver even before building that Titanic. So this is just few of the testimonial I'll just show you during my presentation. So this is the delight we were actually talking about. So Ayaz Abdullah is the Chief Strategy and E-commerce Officer, and he owns this application. He owns this domain, and he is a happy customer. For Pulse, so the objective of, I'll just run quickly now. The objective of this application was to show on real-time basis. So we call our store managers as CEO of the store, and every aspect of the store should be known, whether it is the KPI, whether it is the sale, whether it is the expense, whether it is the P&L. So they need to be aware of what's happening in the store. So we created that application and we gave access to our store managers so that they can keep an eye on the pulse of the store. That incentive plus application, so we revised our incentive structures after COVID-19 to create, to trigger a motivation within stores that now the stores are open and we are going ahead with the bang. And believe me or not, 3 p.m. Friday, like this is a Friday, 3 p.m., our chief commercial officer shared his desire of having an app where you having not even app, having something where users can see, or the stores can see how much level of incentive they have generated by now, standing, let's say today, so that they know that they have already cashed this much of a earning at store by, let's say, achieving certain KPIs. 3 p.m. this desire was shared. Uh, there is a cheetah in my team, Nabil. I sat with him, Danish. I sat with him, and 5 p.m. we were able to showcase this application to chief commercial officer. And next day was Saturday, where there was an event happening uh, at store level, and we were able to launch this application. And serious appreciation we got, because store managers were so satisfied that they can just at real time basis they can see that how much of the incentive they have created for themselves and their staff. So again, a testimonial from director retail. I'll just run through it and go through next application. So again, when the COVID environment hit, I'm not sure anyone from Microsoft, if Zishan or anyone else is on the call. 10:30 a.m. in the night, I get an email that Microsoft has released its own template, Power App template for COVID-19. And 12 a.m. in the night, so 10:30 a.m. in the night, that email came. I connected again with my cheetah, Nabil, and I asked him, can we deliver this app for Khadi without the date changing? And before 12 a.m. midnight, we use that template and we deliver this application. So the objective of this application was to do communication with the staff, to keep the track of who got tested, who got positive. In fact, there was no testing happening at that time. So who got positive, and we started doing contact tracing with this application. Customer voice, again, one of the application, customers comes into the store, they give the feedback. The store managers or the store staff just punch in the customer feedback into the app, and they categorize that which department should get this feedback. Right then in their real time basis, the feedback goes to the department and all the stores as well. And the stores have the capability to vote that yes, this feedback is coming into our store as well. And you can just assess the speed of that communication happening between stores and going into relevant department. Any feedback that gets more than 10 plus votes gets to the inbox of the functional head or the chief of that function as well. So that gives us agility to rectify things timely. That gives us agility to listen to the customer feedback timely and react to that feedback fairly quickly. Workflow Plus, I'll just run through quickly. Workflow Plus is actually every business transaction happening within Khadi goes through a workflow process based on our delegation of authority document. Every financial transaction has to go through a workflow process based on the authorization limit every functional head or every head of department has. So users can create with this application. User can create a requisition. That requisition goes through a process, and then based on the amount limits defined, this app helps us in going through that complete chain and conclude that transaction. So again, this application is developed on Power App, Power Automate at the back. There is a Power BI dashboard, and then ultimately the transaction lands into Dynamics 365. Again, a testimonial from our head of finance. Mm, Again, I'll just run through this application onboarding. So again, a very simple process. जिस तरह मैंने शुरू में कहा था कि जब बहुत सारे प्रोसेस ऐसे होते हैं जिनको हम अंडरस्टैंड कर लेते हैं और हम एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं कि यार these processes can happen on paper. So this was one of those process which was accepted as something which can happen on paper. An employee coming in, there would be a form. That form would be fulfilled, signed by few functions, and then those functions would get things ready for a new employee coming in. So we created that application, the onboarding application again. So this application was nothing but a welcome present to our new chief human resource officer. So he came in, we conceived this application, and we presented this as a gift to our new chief human resource officer. Again, less effort, value add is immense, right? So any employee coming in, there is a process through which they get onboarded. This application is connected with all necessary licensing systems at the back. Employee coming in, automatically every license gets initiated, every user access gets initiated based on the rules defined in all the connected people, let's say admin people, to issue the card. So all related parties get notification, and they can sort of confirm that the employee experience is ready. And ultimately, when the employee comes in, they are happy to see that everything, every access, every license they need to perform the job, it's ready from day one. And same happens for offboarding. So same application is used for onboarding, and same application is used for offboarding. So अगर कोई employee जाता है, तो one of the nightmares again is to that employee going, and you have to close all the licenses, you have to close all the accesses, you have to revoke the access card, you have to revoke the attendance access. So all these activities happens automatically with the help of Power Automate, and makes life fairly simple. Again, a testimonial from the admin head and the people services head. So quick examples from our kitchen. There is lot more cooking in the kitchen. कुछ dishes हैं जो हम surface पे ले आते हैं, we go into production, और कुछ dishes हम बनाकर खुद सोच लेते हैं कि we have to deliver something better than this. I think that's all from my side. अगर कोई questions, I would be happy to answer those questions. Anything I can do to probably kick off that go digital or die dream, would be happy to do it.
बहुत शुक्रिया रिहान भाई, आपने बहुत अच्छा सेशन दिया और हम सबकी बहुत ज़्यादा लर्निंग हुई है इस सेशन से। हमारे कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं। सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन हमारा ये है कि जिस तरह आपने बताया कि आप लोगों ने पावर प्लेटफॉर्म, D365 एंड ऑफिस 365 की टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ की इसकी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के लिए, तो ड्यूरिंग दिस इम्प्लीमेंटेशन क्या-क्या चैलेंजेस हैं जो आप लोगों ने फेस करे?
देखिए, सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज देखिए, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन क्यों कहते हैं? ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का मतलब ये होता है कि देयर यूजुअली इज अ स्टेटस को। तो अगर मैं आज कोई काम कर रहा हूं, तो मैं उस काम से आइदर आई वुड बी हैप्पी, और मैं वही काम करता जाऊंगा। तो सबसे पहले तो आई थिंक ये डिजायर क्रिएट करना कि जो काम हम जिस तरीके से कर रहे हैं, देयर इज अ बेटर वे टू डू इट, एंड देयर इज अ क्विकर वे टू डू इट, एंड दैट कैन एक्चुअली बी डन। तो आई थिंक दैट ये जर्नी क्रिएट करना और ये ड्रीम क्रिएट करना बहुत जरूरी है। और उसके बाद फिर उस एक होता है किसी के ख्वाब बना के फिर तोड़ देना ये उससे बड़ा गुनाह है। तो आई थिंक यू हैव टू क्रिएट दैट ड्रीम, एंड यू हैव टू डिलीवर दैट क्विक विन के यार, जो आपको ख्वाब बताया था ये उसकी ख्वाब की ताबीर है, और इस ख्वाब की ताबीर के लिए आपको 2 साल वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है। इस ख्वाब की ताबीर आपको 2 दिन पे भी मिल सकती है। तो when you start delivering the dreams, I think then these things become a norm.
शुक्रिया रेहान, बहुत बहुत आपका। दूसरा एक और क्वेश्चन है, मैं ऑडियंस से लास्ट क्वेश्चन ही ले सकेंगे क्योंकि टाइम कंस्टेंट है। आपके अपने इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर कस्टमाइजेशन कितनी है? क्योंकि हमारे कुछ लोगों ने पूछा है कि कितने परसेंटेज है आप कस्टमाइजेशन की?
So I am a firm believer of zero customization, right? So any enterprise scale project you have to deliver, if you have selected, be very cautious in selecting a product or platform of your choice. But when you select a platform after necessary evaluation, so customization should be zero until and unless, let's say, if it's a compliance need or a regulatory need, जहां आपने किसी चीज में कस्टमाइजेशन की, I can easily write on a paper and give you that paper that you will fail. This implementation would not be successful. तो मैं यूजुअली एग्जांपल ये देता हूँ कि हमारी ख्वाहिश व्हेन वी हैव टू गो ऑन दैट जर्नी इज कि हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मर्सिडीज ले आए। और क्योंकि हमारी आदत जो होती है वो होती है मेहरान चलाने की, तो हमारी कोशिश ये होती है कि यार मुझे तो मेहरान के दरवाजे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, मर्सिडीज का दरवाजा बहुत हैवी है, तो हम कोशिश ये करते हैं कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में लाएं मेहरान, फिर उसके दरवाजे हटाएं और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में लाएं मर्सिडीज, और फिर कोशिश करें कि मेहरान का दरवाजा लगा दें। तो एंड दिस इज वाई वो मर्सिडीज, ना मर्सिडीज रहती है ना इवन मेहरान रहती है, वो फिर गदागड़ी बन जाती है। तो फर्म बिलीवर, और आई थिंक इफ समवन आस्क्स मी कि यार if I have to implement something, what would be one single recipe of success? I would always say, don't go for any customization. Don't do any customization.